Hello, welcome back to the Cooking Academy. My name is Kumud Gandhi and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple butter bean dip with parsley. Butter beans are from the legumes family and are very healthy, and so I've got a can of 120 grams of butter beans, so I'm popping those straight into a little mini food processor. I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm just going to cut these down a little bit before I put them in. And I've got half a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, together with a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I'm going to just cut up a little bit more of some parsley. So I've got about 7 stalks of parsley. I'm going to just cut the parsley into smaller bits, especially the stalks. Now, I am using the stalks because the stalks have an awful lot of flavour and nutrition. Parsley is very high in vitamin C and is an antioxidant. So parsley is one of my favourite ingredients. I'm using flat leaf parsley. And then I'm literally going to put all of this into the food processor and give it a whiz. Halfway through, you probably want to just give it a little clean up so that you can take all the ingredients from the sides and just have another go until it's all processed into a nice consistency. Let's take a little look. So you don't want this to be a puree, you just want to make sure that everything has been chopped up. You've got the parsley isn't too coarse, too leafy, but the beans have broken up and the flavour is sufficiently mixed up. That's a perfect consistency, so that's ready to take out and serve. This is such an easy preparation for something that yields so much flavour and also nutrition, because you've got a combination of garlic, cumin, black pepper, parsley, and of course the butter beans, which can be great for a salad. It can be great as a dip with your favourite crudités, and if you're feeling really naughty, then perhaps a Dorito or 2. So pop that in a bowl. There we have it, the perfect healthy and nutritious dip. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with all of our recipes, hints and tips. You can also visit our website at www.thecookingacademy.co.uk for classes, recipes and so much more.